You're still here?
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Slice and dice. Hell yeah. The worst part about white costumes.
Feel like an actual issue or not?
Am I right?
No one wants to fucking fight
I
BP.
don't fight to hurt people. I fight to heal them.
Well, when I'm done here, you'll have
Austin?
plenty of folks to heal.
About your girlfriend? You ain't bring me though. The fuck?
The battle starts in 5, 4,
The fuck?
3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
This battle is nothing compared to the wars I have fought.
Snake as good as new.
Wanna be? Hey yo! Hey yo!
Slice and dice.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
Gotta make it.
Oh man. Fucking Thor.
Area is yours.
Bro, look how obsessed this guy was. Oh my god. That form does so much fucking damage, bro. More damage than me.
I have finished the job for you.
Us against the world.
We don't have any support ults.
Snake combo. Hell yeah. Vulnerable. Cold steel. 1,000 gods. You're lucky I was here.
Revenge.
Light and dark. Nice.
Ooh, she pinned him. She pinned him. We got an Angela. What the hell?
To behold my full
Where'd she come from? Hey, we had an Angela.
You've captured
Oh,
more
the she
than
versus
half of the
arcade, though?
mission area. Keep going.
Another arcade. What the? Played on you played on the arcade stick or you had your controller?
I have
Thanks,
found one
machine.
of them.
I was born ready.
Oh my fucking god, this character does so much damage.
Slice and dice.
I'm not leaving you. Bro,
This guy bothering you?
KO.
leave me alone.
Yours.
Thanks.
I was a joystick demon. I buy a stick. Nah, if I would have switched controllers, I'd just go back to. Oh my god, her head!
Taste cold steel.
If I would go back to control, I'd just go back to PS4 DualShock. Play on pad. I'd try out pad or something.
Leave them to Khonshu.
I'd be a pad demon.
Silver bullet.
No portal.
Why is he talking like that?
You got a cute giggle, bro.
What?
Thank you.
Wait, are you a girl?
Oh.
No. Yeah, it's like a one.
You got a
Vance
boyfriend?
gave me my powers. I'll
Yeah.
make them regret it.
Arms are
Dude.
cooked.
The hunt is on.
Sorry, man. I'm
It's
taking.
okay, I do too.
What two?
I have one too, and he's right here, but don't tell him.
Don't tell him that
30
he's right
seconds
there.
before you attack. Get ready.
Don't tell him that I want you.
Oh, I see.
Seeing you fighting vamps on the streets.
I want you.
How haven't you gotten bit yet? Well, a few
Maybe of them I'll tried, but,
their fangs kept
Oh, yeah?
off. One of the
What do you
perks
wanna
of
do
having
about that?
rock hard skin, I suppose.
Am I on Valorant?
Well, there ain't many others, so
You wanna do
I'll
about
take
that?
what I can get.
The battle starts in 5, 4,
What?
I don't know what I can do.
1.
You can do
All
anything
you
you
need
want
to
to
do is
do.
capture the mission area. Got it?
Shut up.
Anything you
Hey.
put your
Say
head
you're sorry,
through.
Orphan.
But its
No,
organics
say sorry.
failed. How
Is he
He
growling?
might be a little rowdy clanker, but he loves to give me that gulp tron, if you know what I mean.
That what, Tron?
As good as new.
He likes to give me that gulp tron, you know what I'm saying? But
Taste cold steel. My thing.
I am ready to
Oh, he's
run the
one.
show. Capture now. The mission area is yours.
he likes to give me that gulp tron, you know what I mean?
Against the world.
Oh my
They
fucking
give me
god.
that gulp try.
Behold the god of thunder!
Oh fuck.
Double kill! That's 3!
As good as new.
Oh my god. Are we
He
gonna win?
likes to do that. He likes to give me the gulp try.
Bro,
Time already.
they surrendered?
Okay, GG. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Remember my big
Another
brother.
epic victory!
What? What the fuck was those comms? What? What? The fuck did I just hear? Okay, that was interesting. I'm gonna play one.